Samlyn Capital LLC acquired a new stake in shares of Dillard's Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange DDS, during the second quarter, according to its most recent Form 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The fund acquired 48,179 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $2,779,000. Samlyn Capital LLC owned about 0.17% of Dillard's at the end of the most recent reporting period. Several other institutional investors and hedge funds also recently made changes to their positions in the company. Parametrica Management Ltd acquired a new position in shares of Dillard's in the second quarter valued at $618,000. Royce Associates LP raised its stake in Dillard's by 41.8% in the second quarter. Royce Associates LP now owns 139,481 shares of the company's stock worth $8,047,000 after acquiring an additional 41,098 shares during the last quarter. Aristotle Fund L.P. purchased a new position in Dillard's in the second quarter worth $4,558,000. Commonwealth Bank of Australia raised its stake in Dillard's by 31.6% in the second quarter. Commonwealth Bank of Australia now owns 14,154 shares of the company's stock worth $816,000 after acquiring an additional 3,400 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Segantii Capital Management Ltd purchased a new position in Dillard's in the first quarter worth $125,000. 94.46% of the stock is currently owned by hedge funds and other institutional investors. Get Dillard's Incorporated alerts. Enter your email address. Submit. A number of analysts have commented on DDS shares. The Street raised Dillard's from a C rating to a B rating in a research report on Tuesday, August 8. Bidders Club lowered Dillard's from a strong buy rating to a buy rating in a report on Saturday, August 12. Value Engine raised Dillard's from a hold rating to a buy rating in a report on Friday, September 1. Deutsche Bank AG raised their price objective on Dillard's from $39 to $42 and gave the stock a sell rating in a research note on Tuesday, August 8. Finally, J.P. Morgan Chase & Company restated an underweight rating and issued a $36 price objective, down from $49, on shares of Dillard's in a research note on Thursday, August 10. 2 research analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 4 have given a hold rating and 2 have issued a buy rating to the company's stock. The stock has a consensus rating of hold and an average target price of $56. In related news, Director J.C. Watts Jr. sold 450 shares of the company's stock in a transaction on Wednesday, September 13. The shares were sold at an average price of $60.30 for a total value of $27,135. Following the completion of the sale, the director now owns 8,200 shares in the company, valued at approximately $494,460. The transaction was disclosed in a legal filing with the SEC, which can be accessed through the SEC website. Insiders own 26.63% of the company's stock. Shares of Dillard's Incorporated, DDS, traded down 0.31% on Wednesday, hitting $53.92. 61,648 shares of the company traded hands. The stock's 50-day moving average price is $57.68, and its 200-day moving average price is $56.62. Dillard's Incorporated has a 12-month low of $45.51 and a 12-month high of $83.44. The company has a market capitalization of $1.56 billion, a P/E ratio of 13.36, and a beta of 1.12. Dillard's, New York Stock Exchange DDS, last posted its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, August 10. The company reported 58 cents earnings per share for the quarter, missing the Thomson Reuters' consensus estimate of 19 cents by 77 cents. The firm had revenue of $1.43 billion during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $1.44 billion. Dillard's had a net margin of 2.04% and a return on equity of 7.89%. Dillard's revenue was down 1.7% compared to the same quarter last year. During the same period in the previous year, the company posted 35 cents earnings per share. On average, equities analysts predict that Dillard's Incorporated will post $3.57 earnings per share for the current year. The firm also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Monday, October 30th. Stockholders of record on Friday, September 29th will be issued a 10-cent dividend. This represents a 40-cent dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 0.74%. This is a boost from Dillard's previous quarterly dividend of 7 cents. The ex-dividend date of this dividend is Thursday, September 28th. Dillard's payout ratio is presently 10.18%. Dillard's company profile. Dillard's Incorporated is a retailer of fashion apparel, cosmetics and home furnishing. As of January 28, 2017, the company operated 293 Dillard stores, including 25 clearance centers, and an internet store offering a selection of merchandise, including fashion apparel for women, men, and children, accessories, cosmetics, home furnishings and other consumer goods.